discussing. Now observe it here, in every function, in a character function, in a feature, I will tell you implicit conversion is there. Yesterday, okay, you don't have an idea. Also, implicit conversion is there in a feature concept side. Don't worry. That's why today numbers also I'm using possible. Okay, just easily understandable purpose. Suppose Oracle, I am writing only for example. Okay, anything also. Just I am writing a what like this. Here I am writing a what anything. I will try to use a what here. And now here this is Oracle string. I want to replace with a what Oracle. Okay, like this only. Any order, not a problem. And now here yes here O is replaced with 1. R is replaced with 2. Yes, A is replaced with 3. Like this only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there or not? Yes, here. Oh, maybe in numbers also possible, not only characters. Why? Because implicit conversions are there in a Oracle database side. Character functions in a feature we are learning. Okay, fine. Up to this one, very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there or not? But unfortunately, whenever I'm removing a what, some character, replacing character is not there, then what happened? I will tell you. And now here, yes, here, first this one write it, then the replacing character is not there means I will tell you fastly write it, very easy. Anything also just write it, remembering purpose. I am telling like this, write it fastly. Oh, which one I want to remove? That replacing character you are not allowed to specify, okay? Na? Yes, yeah. And now check it out, slowly observe it here. Again observe it here. Concentrate here. And now here very interesting here, actually project side encryption description project side, this is very helpful. Suppose last one only here, third parameter I'm not giving, for example. Here third parameter I'm not giving means, okay, so now this is the error. Null value I'm telling, don't write it. Observe here, yes, error. Why? Because only three parameters minimum I'm telling yesterday, string 1, string 2, string 3 I'm telling or not. But here, just I'm giving a what, a null. For example, replacing characters are not available. Null I'm giving only. Maybe guess it. What is the output? You are guessing very easy. Whenever replacing characters are not available, then automatically it will be returns a what? A null. Very good. Here, third parameter is not there means yes, always that is a what? So now here error. But third parameter is a null means null value it will be returned null. Okay, because replacing characters are not there. This is also write it. Write it this one. Write it. Here null I'm giving means null. Why I'm giving a what? Two parameters in a previous case means this is different and replace is different in the next only. That's why. Null. Slowly observe here. Finished? Yes, here completed. Now concentrate. Anybody maybe guess it? Suppose I am giving a what? O is replaced with 1. R is replaced with 2, A is replaced with 3, C is replaced with 4, yes, L is replaced with, yes, 5 is there, for example. Suppose replacing character is not there. Suppose here 6 is I'm removing. 6 I'm removing only. What is the output? Here 6 characters are there. Anybody guess it? Very easy. Here guessing only 6 characters. Here only 5 characters are there. Replace. Here E is not available. E replacing character is not available. For example, whenever replacing character is not available means what happened? That character is displayed, otherwise that character is removed. What is the output? Now maybe guess it. Very good. So many fellows are guessing only correct. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 E, otherwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, some fellows are telling about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 E they are telling. Some fellows are telling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 they are telling. Some fellows are telling that character is removed. Very good. Yes, who are telling about that character is removed? Correct answer. Very good. Correct. E is not displayed. Whenever replacing character is not there, then that is removed. That is removed only. Here replacing character is not there means that is removed. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it will be displayed. 6 will not be displayed. Whenever replacing character is not there, then it is removed. Suppose here I'm writing a what here. Now check it out. 1, 2, 3 like this. Write a note. When we are using translate function, and also replacing characters are not available, and also replacing characters are not available. Then that characters are permanently removed. Example, write it. Simple. Here E is not there, no, 6 is not there, okay? E is removed. Here your writing is easily understandable. Here E is removed. Very good, some fellows are guessing. E is removed. It's a predefined function. Okay? Now concentrate here. Now observe here. Actually, in a real-time project side, license numbers, any numbers are there, any characters are there. This is a decoding format we are transferring into where in another database, another tables only. Okay, encryption, description, project side. In that case, characters converted into where some other thing, numbers converted into some other thing, and also some other special symbols are converted into some other thing means they're writing a what project side like this. Observe here. With one example, I'm telling. Okay, so project side how they are using means 1 minute. Observe here. Those type of examples are not there in books only. Just observe it here. This is a license number. You have to imagination like this because project side that columns are there. Actually here column names I'm not writing only. And now here check it out, single quotes. Any number is there, for example, don't write it only 2, okay, X, Y, Z, okay, anything also, 2, okay, 9, anything also is there. For example, this is a number is there. For example, number with characters are there. Now here, again, observe here. Now convert the numbers into nines, for example, encrypted form. And also any number converted into nines, and also characters are converted into where X, for example. How can I just we are taking a first all the numbers in a project side. Here we are taking a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now here like this only all the numbers they're taking. Okay, fine. Observe here. And also all the characters they are taking only. Now here characters means your idea A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, like this. Now here all the characters they are taking. Now I want to convert a what? Yes, your numbers in this encrypt in this string only. Suppose this is a license number, for example. In this string, now here convert the numbers into where? Numbers into nines, for example. Okay, numbers into nines. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, fine. Because these are 9 numbers are there. No, here 9 we are using only. Okay, now here 9 like this. Okay, fine. Now again this A, B, C, D where the characters are there, that is converted into where? X. Now here for example A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, like this only. And now you check it out here from dual. How much is it? Oh, maybe in so many projects that big columns are there. In this case, observe here. Yes, here where the okay, numbers are there in place of that one 9 only. Where the characters are there in place of that one X. Okay, so now it will be displayed or not? Yes, this type of things also regularly using. Now here, yes, here. Now here. Write it some theory, write it only better. Okay, convert, write it for it. Convert a number into 9, convert a number into 9, and also convert other letters into X. Convert other letters into X from the given string. From the given string. From the given string. From the given string 2xyz 2 to 9. Anything from the given string 2xyz 2 to 9. Two xyz 2 to 9 by using translate function. By using translate function. By using translate function. Write it this one, because this type of licensing numbers in that case very helpful. This one, write it. This one, project side, these type of concepts. For the encrypted form, yes. That's why in a second parameter, all the things they are giving in a real-time project side. 0 to numbers, and ABCDs, capital letters, small letters, again, okay, special symbols, all the things they are giving. And third parameter, which encrypted form, that one on. Correctly numbers you are giving only. Output is, I have been giving X, Y, Z. Next, output is, here I am giving a what exact thing means, this is output. Any missing means wrong output. Finished? Now concentrate here. Now concentrate here. Now I am removing a what? This excess. Okay, fine. For example, this all X we are removing only. Whenever staying in a where, okay, fine, numbers existing, then I want to remove the characters means we are using a what this one. Here X is removed, X is removed, X is removed. That is a what? Characters are removed only. Here, observe here. X, Y, Z, it will be removed. Just the numbers are converted into where? Nines. In that case only we are using a what? So now here, yes, this third parameter removing only. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Yes, yeah, that's why these type of translate big numbers we are using is then working on it. Next, write it, replace. 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 This is very important. Replace function most powerful. Write it. Already definition you already know, but this is different way we are learning. Okay, regular expression replace is there in a feature, very big concept, but today also very important. Write it, replace. It is used to replace. It is used to replace. It is used to replace a character by string. It is used to replace a character by string, or already yesterday it is used to replace a character by string, or it is also replaces string by string. It is also replaces string by string. This function also accepts 3 parameters. This function also accepts 3 parameters. Here, third parameter is an optional syntax. Replace of string 1, comma string 2, comma string 3. replace of string 1 comma string 2 comma string 3. Now observe it here, 1 minute only, very easy, but unfortunately third is optional here. Actually, in a translate side, third compulsory we are using only. Third we are not using means null, but here totally different. In yesterday, SSS, MI, SSTH, SS, I am giving, no, why I am giving is today we are removing characters means replace only we are using. Now check it out. First observe it here, normally we are testing. Normally means very easy. And now check it out. Here I am writing a what? Select. Here replace. Here character by string I am testing first. Here A space B space C I am giving only for example. Where the space is there, okay, fine. In that one, a simple XYZ I want to replace. For example, XYZ like this. That's why where the space is there, that is replaced with the what? XYZ. Yes, character by string possible or not? Yes, you are very easy. AXYZ, BXYZ, C only. Simple. And now write it first with this example. Character by string. Anything also. An example also guys. Then important concept I will tell you. Here select replace of single quote A space B space C. Here space is there XYZ. In a previous case translate, I am using a 0. 1 we are taking is my answer. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next A, B, C. Space is there, space is replaced with the what? XYZ, AXYZ, BXYZ, and C. Next, replacing a what? A string by string. How I am telling a what string by string means a table column I am telling better. Suppose select the star from EMP is a table. In this table, first observe here, job is a column is there, for example. In this job column, salesman is a string is there, for example. Salesman means actually marketing persons. That's why in place of salesman string, I want to replace with the marketing. Possible or not? Yes, possible. Suppose here, just checking purpose, existing column. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Then replacing, I'm using only here. Just here, your imagination like this, replace. Okay. Not only string column, also we are allowed to use possible job. Which string you want to replace means here given string salesman like this only within the job column. Yes, I want to convert into where marketing like this only. And now here, yes, here. Whenever I am writing a what like this, then automatically, yes, here where the salesman is there, then automatically marketing is there or not, a string by string replace. But these two is not important. Another thing is important. What is that purpose of replace means today you are understandable, very, very important. Now first write it these two. These are bookish knowledge, very easy. Completed this one. Now very, very, very important. So nobody asking these type of things. Actually, translate is used to replaces character by character. Replace is used to replaces character by string or string by string. Definition you have an idea enough, but unfortunately, interviewer asking about some other concept in a way replace function. Very, very important. That is a regularly used concept in a way in a project side. And now actually replace is not only that one, replacing what not only strings but also removing character purpose regularly used concept is a what? Yes, replace. Beautiful concept only. Suppose now check it out. Actually, now I am telling only. Suppose observe it here. Very, very interesting. This is important. This is so many fellows are asking. Suppose here this is a select statement. Select. Here replace I am writing only. Concentrate. Very important. Replace. Here yesterday anybody attending a class L trim R trim I am telling in that class SS MI SS TH SS I am telling only. Okay, this string is better option. Easily remembering only. Now, in this case, now your yes is a character is there. Okay, fine. For example, yes is a character is there. I want to, okay, so now your yes is a character replaced with the ABC means everyone knows. Observe here. Now check it out. For example, from to L like this means everyone knows where the yes is a character is there in place of that one ABC. That's what the word ABC, ABC, MI, ABC, ABC, TH, ABC, ABC. It will display. I know you know everyone knows, but unfortunately, what the advantage of the replace function means? If we are not specifying what replacing third parameter I am not using. Third parameter I am not using means translate is not working, but replace is working only. Whenever third parameter is optional, whenever replacing string is not available, then what is the advantage? Specified character, second parameter specified character is permanently removed from the where? Permanently removed from the where first character. Suppose this is also removed, this is also removed, this is also removed. Very, 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 very important concept. Whenever third parameter you are not specifying in a replace function, then second parameter specified character is permanently removed from the where? Permanently removed from the where given first parameter. That is the beauty of the where replace function. In yesterday, yes, SS, MI, SS, TH, SS, some example I'm telling me is L trim is so many fellows are yes, okay, MI, SS, TH, SS, they are telling. R trim means SS, MI, SS, TH, they are telling. But trim means MITH, they are telling. That is the wrong one. MISSTH, that is the answer I am telling or not. But today, yes, I want MITH like this. So all the characters, specified characters I want to remove means specified character permanently I want to remove means then we go for a replace function. Very, very important. Which character you have to remove, that character you have to specify in a second parameter. Third parameter you have to remove only, then automatically, yes, observe it here, MITH, it will be displayed or not. Yes, that is the beauty of the way replace function. Anybody giving a word string, I want to remove particular character, they are asking me, there is no remove function. Yes, replace function is available in a web database. In that replace function, second parameter, that our removed character we have to specify. Okay, na? Yeah, now, not completed. Observe here. Suppose I have a doubt only. Okay, fine. For example, I'm using a what? Yes, your number of characters. Suppose here, yes, H, I am writing only. Yes, H, I am writing only. And also, yes, here M, I am writing only. These three characters I want to remove. Possible? Not possible. Not possible. Only one character only remove. Only one character. But more than one character, not possible. Yes, I want to remove. H, I want to remove. And M, I want to remove means impossible. Impossible. Again, same string is available. Observe here, same string is available or not? Yes, but unfortunately, now, okay, so a single character also we have to remove, and also string also removed possible. String possible. String. Suppose SCHM is not there, individual character also not removed. Suppose I am giving a what? STH I am interested to remove. STH I try to remove. Suppose STH is a string is available. Yes, string is available. Group of characters. Sequence order is there or not? Yes, this is removed. This is removed. Whenever a string is available, that string is removed. Yes, here now check it out. STH is removed. Observe here. STH is removed. That's why SSMI, SSS is there or not. That's why what is the vocation of significance of replace function means if you are interested to remove single character or string, not a group of characters, string from the where, yes, given string means then we go for variable predefined, yes, your function replace function only. In this case, we are not required to use third parameter. Whatever specified character or specified string, yes, you are specified in a where second parameter that is permanently removed from the where given first parameter. This is very, 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 very important concept only. Write a note. Note, write it. Write a note. In Oracle, write it. In Oracle, in Oracle, when we are using replace function, in Oracle, when we are using replace function, and also in replace function, and also in replace function, in replace function, when we are not specifying third parameter, when we are not specifying third parameter, and also in replace function, when we are not specifying third parameter, when we are not specifying third parameter, then specified character, then specified character, not a characters, character, then specified character or specified string, then specified character or specified string in second parameter, then specified character or specified string in second parameter is permanently removed, is permanently removed from the given first parameter, is permanently removed from the given first parameter, is permanently removed from the given first parameter. Anybody not writing properly means observe here. In Oracle replace function, when we are not specifying third parameter, then specified character or specified string in second parameter is permanently removed from the given first parameter. Not when we are not specifying third parameter, then specified character or specified string in second parameter is permanently removed from the given first parameter. Example, example, these examples, write it first. Then enter question, I will tell you. Select ABC space, their space I want to remove me, space we are using, nothing is this one, write it. Only single character, not a number of characters. Or string. First example, output, write it. Your third parameter is optional, but translate means third parameter is mandatory. Okay. These two outputs, write it. Actually, where this translate, where this substring, where this rpad, lpad functions are helpful means whenever we are transferring a funds in bank, you are observing or not, the account owner only displays the last word of the name. That's all. It does not display rest or the replaced by asterisk something only is there or not. In that case, these all combination functions are very helpful. That much of knowledge is required. That's why this one I'm telling. And now, but unfortunately, translate, replace, rpad, lpad function combination in a bank transfer side they are using only. But up to now, lpad, rpad, you don't have an idea. Now I'm starting. Now observe here. Actually, translate is used to replaces character by character, whereas replace is used to replaces character by string or string by string in a web database. But unfortunately, whenever we are using a replace function, third parameter not specifying means second parameter, yes, a specified character, only single character permanently removed from the given first parameter. Otherwise, string also removed from first parameter only. String also removed from the where, yes, your first parameter possible, but number of characters not possible. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Concentrate. Very important. Now, actually, slowly observe it here. Very interesting. Very important. Actually, this is very important concept. So many fellows are using in a real time side a single character. Whenever big strings are there, single character we are removing means then we go for replace function. In a nowadays regexp underscore replace function is there in a feature. That is so many things it will be removed, but single character or string means a replace is there olden days. But this functionality you have an idea or not, check it out purpose. Interviewer asking what a beautiful occasion interview question only. What is that one means? That is a predefined question. Anybody FAQs they are observing means in a Java FAQs, .NET FAQs, Oracle FAQs, in a fresher level, that question is there. What is that question? Only maybe character removing, you have an idea or not, check it out purpose. Interviewer asking a what, that question only. What is that one means? Observe it here. Yes. Suppose they are giving a what, any string, for example, any string they are giving only. Whenever any string they are giving in a pen and paper, you are attending an interview. In that case, what they're asking me is write a query which counts a number of occurrences of the character within a given string. They're asking only. Suppose in this one, in this given string, how many times that character H is occurred. For example, given string, count a number of occurrences of the given character within a given string. Suppose H is 3 times are there, 3 number I want to retrieve. They're asking. In that case, you are a 11G programmer. In a feature regexp underscore count is a function is there. Through that one very easy, but unfortunately before Oracle 11G, if you want to achieve these type of task, compulsory we must use a what? Yes, a replace function and also length function. Already in yesterday class we are telling a what? Length is a function is there or not? Yes, here. And also replace is a what? A function is there. What is that one means? Suppose easy understandable purpose I am telling only. Suppose here this is a given string is there. For example, in a string I'm taking, suppose here sleep is a given string is there. For example, easily understandable. Anybody not sleeping means easily they are telling a what answers only. And now check it out. Sleep is a given string is there. Within a given string sleep, how many times E is occurred? Tell me how many times E is occurred. E is a character is how many times it will be occurred. Yes, very good. 2. I know, you know, everyone knows, so 2 times only. Very easy. That is very easy. But you are right in the query is important. How you are right in the query? Yes, whenever they are giving a string only, that a string, yes, in a character, single character, not a number of characters, single character, how many times that character is occurred? Anybody asking me is a simple technique is there. What is that one means? First you have to find out total length of the string, only Oracle Corporation giving this one. And now here minus except that character string length, except that character means I want to remove the what? Sleep means E I want to remove means SLP is there. Then here total length means 3, here 5 only in this case. Here sleep minus except that character means here 3 only. Then 5 minus 3 is a what? 2 is a output or not? This is a logic Oracle Corporation only providing. That's why if you want to count a number of occurrences of the given character within a given string means by using a what in a olden days, replace and length function. They are giving the hint replace and length function. Just we have to find out first total length of the given string minus is there, no number, no length also number, it will be written or not minus. Yes, except that character, whatever character is there, that character we have to remove, that length also we have to find out. Yes, total length minus that length is nothing but what a number of occurrences. This is a Oracle predefined entry question. So many entry are asking, any string they are giving only. This is one of the logic without regular expression count only. That is so many fellows are asking. Why? Because they are asking this question means we are familiar with the what replace side character removing. You have an idea or not? Maybe check it out purpose. This is a old and days popular entry question, but nowadays also some fellows are asking because nowadays everyone knows these type of things. Write it. Write a query. Write it. Write a query which is used to count. Write a query which is used to count. Maybe you are writing logic, I am telling you. Write a query which is used to count number of occurrences of the. Write a query which is used to count number of occurrences of the. Write a query which is used to count number of occurrences of the character E. Write a query which is used to count a number of occurrences of the character E within given string sleep, anything within given string sleep by using length comma replace function. By using length comma replace function. Write a query which is used to count a number of occurrences of the character E within given string sleep by using length comma replace functions. Write a query which is used to count a number of occurrences of the character E within given string sleep by using length comma replace functions. Write it that one. Maybe that query slowly write it. Maybe you have an idea. Why? Because this is a total string. Total string length minus except that character. Easy. They are giving a hint, no? That's why. Easy. Oracle Corporation only giving a hint only through that one. You are only try it. Easy, very easy, very good. Okay, because predefined entry question this one. Oracle Corporation giving a what this hint only, but so many fellows are asking this one. Maybe that length function you don't have an idea means difficult, but a length function already have an idea, replace function you have an idea. Based on that one combinations only they're using always project side, but at least single functions you have an idea means then one of these days you are good knowledge only. Okay, na? Okay, next very difficult functions. Okay, fine. Actually, what are the functions are important means sub str function and also n string function, both the combination they are using in a project side. Again, another functions actually predefined function means syntax only, you don't have an idea. Remaining all the things you have an idea, but how much strong syntax means combination you are practicing means then you are understandable. Next is replace and translate. Okay, that is also important. Another one is CHR is important next only, but another one not important also. PLSQL side very important in aware those functions, but SQL side not important, not a more important only. That is LPAD, RPAD functions. That is also banking project side regularly they are using only. That is also we are telling. Then only CHR we are telling. Then date functions. Write it. Side rating. LPAD. 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 This is a difficult function. Why is every others are telling what LPAD or pads are difficult function means actually now here this is pure syntax based. There is a problem. Without syntax knowledge, impossible. Every database also syntax also difficult. Syntactically strong knowledge is there, then only you are understandable. Actually, fresher level, you are a newcomer, means syntactically you are not good because that much of knowledge you don't have an idea. Remembering not so easy. That's why maybe so many others are telling about syntactically very difficult functions are LPAD or PAD. They are telling yes, really correct. But conceptually you are understandable. Okay, fine. What is LPAD or PAD function means? Yesterday, trim you have an idea. Trim means remove only. L trim means left side we are removing. Pad means what? Very good. Appending only. L pad means what? Left side appending only. Whenever in a banking projects are there, so many project side. Suppose here this a bank is there nowadays. In a bank only here PLSQL project side, why they are regularly using in a PLSQL side this function means yes, bank account number is there nowadays. Whenever bank is a table is there, account number you are observing or not, so many banks account number, not only numbers, they are giving a what here character with numbers also they are giving only. Okay, fine, yes here. But these characters how we are appending in a left hand side or right hand side means LPAD or PAD functions. Why? Because only numbers are automatically generated. Yes, in auto increment concept in a PLSQL only, but characters not generated automatically. That's why along with this number, either left side or right side, we are appending a data. In that case, alphanumeric data, primary key values generating purpose, they are using a what these functions only. That's why SQL programmer more knowledge is not there in a very LPAD or PAD, but PLSQL programmers very good knowledge is there. Okay, so now observe it here. Now concentrate here. Suppose, for example, you are a first time newcomer, don't afraid only, just observe it here. I am writing something, don't write it, just observe it here. LPAD, I am writing, don't write it. This function accepts a three parameters. Suppose I am giving a B, C, D, don't write it here. Suppose second parameter always number, there is a total length. How many characters you are displaying only, that is a length only. Here there is a number, 10 means 10, 20 means 20, like this. Here I am giving a what hash like this only. For example, syntax based. Whenever you are observing or not, yes, here LPAD function, then control goes to where first understandable purpose, execution different. Now observe it here, 10 is there, is a second parameter. 10 means total length means 10, 10 bytes only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 only. 10 means 10 bytes allocated. But how many characters we are passing only in your occasion of string only? Only 4 characters are there. Less number of characters are there. Here A, here B, here C, and D is there. But remaining characters, you are observing it or not, left hand side remaining characters, remaining spaces filled with the what? Yes, here is this hash only. Okay, remaining characters or bytes are filled with the what? This hash or not. That's why always what they are telling about a Oracle Corporation or ANSI standard in a way definition means it will fills remaining spaces with a specified character within a given string. Yes, it will fills remaining spaces with a okay with a specified character on the left side of the given string. That is called LPAD. LPAD means left side padding only. Either in a character, either in a string, either in a space we are filling, not a problem. But second parameter is the total length. First parameter is a what? Passed string only. But unfortunately, so many interviewer how they are asking. Second parameter is a what? Less number of bytes. Yes, first parameter is a more number of characters. What happened? Interviewer asking. That is interview question. That is I will tell you LPAD RPAD side. That's why always it will fill the remaining spaces with specified character on the left side of the given string is called LPAD function only. It will fill the remaining spaces with a specified character on the left side of the given string. But this function accepts how many parameters? Three parameters. Second parameter must be total length, that is a number. That's why syntactically difficult, but conceptually so many things are there. We are learning only. Write it first definition, write it big functionality. LPAD, write it. It will fills it will fills it will fills remaining spaces it will fills remaining spaces with the specified characters with the specified characters on the left side of the left side of the left side of the given string, on the left side of the given string. This function accepts, write it. This function accepts three parameters. This function accepts three parameters. And also here, second parameter returns, and also here second parameter returns total length of the string. Dates are what's important because these are syntactically difficult, okay? And also here second parameter returns total length of the string. And also here second parameter returns total length of the string. Anybody not writing properly means it will fill the remaining spaces with the specified character on the left side of the given string. This function accepts three parameters, and also here second parameter returns total length of the string. Syntax. So many functionalities are there. First we are telling syntax. LPAD is there. Okay, LPAD. Within the bracket here, column name is there. 1 minute, observe here. Column name or string here. Here single quote string. Comma. Second parameter is a what? A number. That is nothing but a what? Total length. Here they are giving total length. Comma. Third parameter, what they are telling me is filled character. Filled character. Single quote is there. Filled character. Filled character. This is the way syntax they are giving. Now here write it here. Total length is a number. Write it here. Number. Total length is a number. Second parameter is a number. Difficult syntax. LPAD of column name or string, comma. Second parameter is total length, number. Again, third parameter is filled character. Filled character they are giving also string possible, in a delimiter possible, in a character possible, in a we are removing that character possible, anything also possible. That's why practical knowledge is required. But second parameter is a less number of bytes, first parameter more number of bytes, interpretation. But first we are telling normally. Completed this one, LPAD, column name or string, comma, second parameter total length, third parameter filled character. Now check it out, screen observed, 1 minute observed here. This is easy, first time newcomer means, okay. And now check it out. I try to check 1 minute only. And now here select. Here I'm using a what? A LPAD like this. Here only I'm using a what? Here. Now here check it out. Don't write it only same example. A, B, C, D. I'm taking less number of characters. Second parameter is total length. I want to fill with the what? This hash with the remaining spaces on the left side of the given string. From dual, very easy. Hash has 6 hashes and A, B, C, D. It will be displayed or not? Yes, here. Now check it out. I try to execute this one, and now how much easy? Yes, here. Yes, encrypted, decrypted on the side. Here 6 hashes are there filled with the what hashes, and ABCD is there or not? Yes, here. Again, observe it here. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Only this is a delimiter possible? No. Any character also possible. Suppose here I am writing a what? X, Y, Z, anything also possible or not? Yes, here any character also possible. Z, 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 A, B, C, D. Again, any string also possible. Your one is string they are giving also anything also possible. X, Y, Z, I am writing only. That is also possible. X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, it will be filling or not? Yes, yeah. Not only that one, third parameter removing also spaces, it will be filling. Now, two parameters also possible. That is advantage. Now check it out. Here, automatically space, it will be displayed or not. These all the things are available. But into your reverse side, they are asking only what is that reverse side. I will tell you. Write it these examples first. One example is enough because syntax only you don't have an idea. That purpose examples. Otherwise, small thing. These functions are only difficult. The dates onwards very interesting, very easy, right? Yes, space write it here last example. Okay, now this one, okay, second parameter is a what? Length of the string is very less number of bytes. First parameter is a more number of bytes. That is an enter question. What is that one? I will tell you. Then the rpad and the alpad and also date function. Those are all the things. Tomorrow I will tell you. Tomorrow I will tell you.